Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are doing great. Welcome to my channel. Today we learn how to modify caption on Bereal. So guys, this is very simple process. Everyone can do it very easily. So don't waste your time and let's get start the video. Watch full video without skipping. First we tap on Chrome browser and tap on search bar and search Bereal login account and little bit scroll down and tap on Bereal login and tap on profile and tap on my profile, little bit scroll down and tap on three dot of top corner and tap on edit post, and you can easy to reset your post and delete your caption. And this is very simple process. I hope you like the video and this video is helpful for you. So please guys, subscribe my channel, like the video and leave the comment in below, and don't forget to press the bell icon for new updates. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.